Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain tally math. Tally marks are a simple and effective way to keep track of counts, especially when you're counting things as they happen. They help you organize data visually, making it easy to see totals at a glance. This method is widely used for its clarity and straightforward approach to counting various items. Creating tally marks is quite simple. For the first 4 items, you draw individual vertical lines. When you reach the 5th item, you draw a diagonal line across the previous 4, forming a neat bundle. This grouping of 5 makes counting much faster and less prone to errors, as you'll see. Once you have your tally marks, counting the total is straightforward. You simply count each complete group of 5 marks. For example, if you have 3 full bundles, that's 15. Then, you add any individual marks that aren't part of a complete group. This systematic approach makes even large numbers easy to tally up. Tally math is incredibly versatile and used in many everyday situations. You might use it for quick surveys, like counting preferences for a snack, or for tracking inventory in a small shop. It's also a fundamental tool for teaching children basic counting and data organization, making it a valuable skill for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.